Hi guys, so we are back on FaunaMarin TV. We're still on the show in Stuttgart, which is in South Germany, and which is the famous place where all the nice cars will be built from Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, all the stuff is here. And also here we have one of the best companies in the world about producing special feeding and special food for marine tanks. So we never produce food for freshwater or for any other kind. We concentrate on food for marine keeping, for reef keeping, so fish and corals. One of these very special foods and this very unique stuff is the soft protein superfood. Superfood is a little bit the same like we humans taking all the healthy stuff inside to get older and get nicer. We will see if it will help, but for the fishes it helps definitely. And one of this kind of food, it's a very special thing. It's a fish food, but it's made for corals also. How this can work, I will explain you. It's very simple. This food here is completely different in the way how many proteins we use, how many stuff we use, and it's a very, very high protein food. That means that fishes have to change their metabolism. They take out many more nutrients of ammonia and of particle-sized and liquidized phosphate in the water. Many reefers today have some issues about if their tank have too low nutrients and they need to give some nitrate or phosphate in the tank. These artificial liquids will be deposited very strong and fast to the rocks and to the surface. There's another way how to solve this, to feeding such a food. The food by itself is made on that way that the fish is taking out on the right ratio, about 1/100 for nitrate to phosphorus. The phosphorus in the case. So the fishes withstand in the corals, taking out the ammonia taking out the ammonia, and the corals can use it directly as a nitrogen source. This food is not a food which you feed if you have nutrient problems. So for that we have other food stuff which the fishes can metabolize completely and don't leak any nutrients or less nutrients out in the reef tank. This food is completely different. It is a granule food like you see it here, with over 75% of pure protein. It's a bit different. Normal food today have 30 or maybe 50% of protein, but the fish is using there more the carbohydrates and the fats for energy. Here they use the proteins, and that's the reason why you leak out all the time, and over the whole day you leak then the nitrogen source by ammonia to the corals, and this is what they like. They don't like one dose a day. What they like is that they have a little bit of nitrogen all the time. This is one of our food line. We will show you in future some more, which we have for making better coloration or to have a very healthy fish. We have another one, but this we will show you later in the next line on our FaunaMarin TV. Try it out if you have ultra low system. You will see it works fantastic. Thanks a lot for your interest, and welcome back then to the next show next week at the FaunaMarin TV.